Doesn't sound happy. Right, here we have a PlayStation 3. It's about sick. As I say, don't turn it on, tear it apart. I've cheated and removed some of the screws. All lies. Not. It's down there. Yeah, this is nasty. There's fucking dust and shit all in this one. Yes. Screwdriver is a bit big, just a bit overkill. Hey, big is better. But is it talking about something else? Okay, here we have kittens playing around with my stuff. Sod off rascal. The card reader. As I said, this model has this one has the ylod def. It's the 60GB ps3. If you're wondering why I got the turn off, is I just got out of the bath and really can't be bothered to go and get another t-shirt, and someone's commenting on Facebook, so I'm just going to see to that. Right, sorry about that. Just got to do a few more screws. The kittens are play fighting in the background. Wireless board, yeah, see that there. purpose is RF shielding for the Wi-Fi, so no interference. It can't cause interference and it can't be affected by interference. All part of the FCC rules. I have no idea if the microphone even works on this camera, so... Switch mode power supply. See, switch mode power supply, we don't need to dig in any deeper to this because the fault is not with this, it is of course the motherboard. With the Blu-ray drive. Blu-ray drive. Again, there's nothing wrong with this. It's going to go into okay, so here we have the unit itself, the Blu-ray drive there, which sets the Blu-ray drive control board on the back there. Again, we don't need to get into that in any detail. As far as yeah, it does need to go. Okay, as far as I'm aware, this has its original 60 gig hard drive here. Oops. And a mounting plate for the on-off board, power board, whatever you want to call it. Now, I believe the circuit board should lift out. Shut Facebook again. And also, yeah, what's the time on this video? Time lapse 9 minutes. 9 minutes of me unscrewing things. And yes, before I get trolls commenting that I'm a bit, yeah, flabby, I know, it's after Christmas, what do you expect? A few too many Christmas puddings. Undo these screws. We have something notifications. So it's XP, so it's probably set up before. An illegal operation or something. sorry about this. This is taking a bit longer than I expected due to the fact that I'm replying on Facebook. But not that I mind replying on Facebook to who it is, Samantha, my girlfriend. So cool. Power, earth lead. Very important with the earth lead. Make sure you put it back on. It will run without it. But if something goes wrong with the power supply side of things, it will go short of ground. You could end up with about 240 volts going through the USB ports or anything like that. Anything that's touching the metal shielding should become live. Someone's definitely been in this thing before. It's just spinning itself like someone's broken that. Lift it up. See what we got. Oh man. Okay, maybe someone has not been in. I'm going to see why. I think really there's one more screw there. I missed one screw. Yeah, that's the housing removed. Yeah, yuck. Fan assembly. There's dust and shit in there like you would not believe. Hard drive is in that one. It's here. Inside of there. Yuck. Check the Facebook again. CMOS battery. Let's see. That concludes part 1. Part 2, we're going to strip down this assembly here. So I've shown how to remove the cover, vaguely anyway. And we're going to remove this, and then we're going to actually repair the yellow lights, or death.